gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my April Gramma in a Box. Guys, you know how much I love this subscription, so without further ado, let's see what they got for this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. They have their little logo on the front here, and it wraps all the way around their box. Let's see what we got for this month. Woo! It's jam-packed full, guys. So this is what's looking like when I open it. And then I take this away. They got their super cute polka dot tissue paper with their logo on there. It's so super cute. All right, guys, let's see what we got. April is spring chicks and bunnies is the theme. So they changed it up because I guess people were complaining that there weren't enough cookies in the box. So they changed it up. So now they're going to give you more cookies and just one additional treat project. So you're going to have a cookie project and treat projects. That's what it's going to be. So we'll see how this goes for them. Maybe they'll change it back. Maybe they won't. We'll see how it goes. But the candy project is a crunchy bird's nest. And then we have the cookie project, which will be spring cookies that we'll be decorating. So let's go ahead and pop this open really quick and show you the supplies. Here's what it looks like when I open that part up. Awesome. Okay, so obviously here's the crunchy things for the little bird's nest. Let me take a look here. So you need melting chocolate, jelly bellies. Jelly bellies? Oh, it's a bird's nest. They're eggs. Got it. Chinese crispy noodles. Okay, so these are the Chinese crispy noodles. Not sure what those are going to taste like. Oh, look, they put a game in here. Oh, how fun is that? One of those little egg game things where it's like a maze. That's super cute, and that's definitely something new that they didn't do before. So here's the little jelly bellies. Awesome. And then here's the melting chocolate for the bird's nest. Okay, and then the icing for this. Ooh! We got 4 colors, guys. We have the yellow, the green, the pink, and blue. That's exciting. So we have 4 different icings. Then we have, oh, here's where that noise was coming from. Look, one of the things popped open. No big deal at all. Totally fine. But here's all the different colors of sprinkles. So since I know it's like that already, I'll just put it all to the bottom and then I'll just pour it into the jar. It's really not a big deal once I open that up. And then we have a couple of different styles of cookies here. Looks like a chick, probably. Super cute. Then we have some bunnies. Those are cute. Looks like a couple of different sizes of eggs. So we have this bigger egg, and then we have these smaller eggs. So that is everything that I got in the box. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to make the projects, and we'll see how terrible I do this time. Okay, guys, for project 1, we have the melting chocolate, the Chinese noodles, the jelly beans, a microwave safe bowl, and a spoon. So I'm going to take the melting chocolate, I'm going to put it into the bowl and heat it up in the microwave until it's melted. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take the noodles, put the noodles inside the bowl, and mix everything together until all of the noodles are coated with some chocolate. Once they're all coated, I'm just going to spoon some of them out, and there's just no rhyme or reason, guys. I'm just like trying to make it look like a nest. I don't know about you, but I've never seen a perfect bird nest like ever. So I'm just kind of, putting them on the paper, and then I realized like I made them like way too big. So you're going to see me take some from another one and try to, make more of them, because I think I was supposed to make these considerably smaller than I did, but whatever. I'm usually the only one that eats this stuff, so it doesn't matter. But I think that their intention was to have more of these treats because I had a ton of jelly beans left over. So now I'm adding the jelly beans in place, and you're supposed to put 3 in each nest. And I ended up just adding more to each one because I had so many left over. So clearly I did not do this right. So don't pay attention to anything I just did, I guess. But, you kind of get the concept, right? Okay, so this next one is the cookies. We have the icings, we have the cookies, and then of course we have the sprinkles. So guys, you guys have seen me do this a million times. This time I had the help of my niece. She was over at my house. So we're just, randomly decorating these things just to get them decorated so that we can eat them. I assure you everything that we are doing is probably incorrect, and you're going to see at the very end that everything is just not at all perfect, but we had a lot of fun doing it. So I'm just going to let you guys watch us making these cookies, and then we'll go ahead and see what the final results are. And here they are. Guys, these look terrible, but that's totally fine. We're going to zoom in on this. Here's one of the bird's nest, and then next to that is one of the chicks that I decorated, and I just kind of put some sprinkles on there. Then there's an egg. There's a deranged rabbit. I think that's an egg with some polka dots, but you know, whatever. There's another deranged rabbit. And then we have a chick that is pink, and then that egg is just, I don't know. And then we have a rabbit that's okay, but not great. And then I think that's a face on the egg there. So, you know, whatever. There's another one of the chicks in blue, and then another egg. Guys, this was a lot of fun, but they didn't turn out great. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was this month's Gramma in a Box. Hopefully my treats didn't turn out too bad. I am filming this prior to making the treats, but I always have some kind of disaster every single time. If anybody is interested in getting the Gramma in a Box, I will link all of the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video I have for you my April. Yes, April Gramma in a Box. Woo! Let's go. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video I have for you my April Gramma in a Box. Wow, that was so bad. Try it again. Okay, guys, so that was terrible. Sounds like something is crumbling in there. Not good. Okay, guys, so that was this month's Gramma in a Box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If anybody is interested, no, that sounds stupid. Doesn't that sound stupid? Let's just try it again.